Today I'll be installing a Schlage lock system for our door. It's around $200 at Home Depot. So we got here a quick programming guide, the back unit, the plate that attaches to the door. We've got the lock, and of course the touchscreen keypad intro. Fits perfectly fine. It says top right there, so you want to pay attention to that. You want to do that by placing this underneath it. Right through there, like that. So it's pretty simple. And it just kind of hangs there for a little bit while we get the back plate on. You want to put it on so this against door sign goes against the door. So this just goes right in here like that. Okay, so here's the back plate. There's a sticker over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture. That way I can program it without taking it apart. You take this off here. This is the battery section. You're going to put batteries in there. Do that in a minute. Right now all I'm worried about is getting it attached properly. There's a white dot. There's a white dot in here as well, and they go together. There you go, it's right. 4 AA batteries. You attach it just like you did with your toys growing up. Slide it in. Fits nice and easy, nice and snug. So now we're going to program the lock. So this is important right here. You're going to follow all the instructions. This is the user's manual. So orange button blinks there. I'm going to press 1. And I'm going to press the code. Got 1 beep. Two beeps. I'm going to press this button. It's locked. Unlocked. Wow. Should locked.